in San Luis. San Luis Capul.
Capul, Samar. Ay, nangyayari ka rin. Siyempre pumuli ka rin.
Wow, look at that.
Mga school na. Sa Alice. Wow.
Finally made it in Capul. I'm so excited. Wow. Look at that. Wow.
What is it? What?
I'm gonna be stuck in there now too.
You're always stuck in there, huh?
Not me.
Not Adriana.
Jana too.
Not Luna. They don't want to be videotaped anymore. I'm going to go across the street here. Try to get some video of some unusual things we see here in Capul Island. Yeah, people on motorcycles all day, of course. So what I wanted to do was try to show you some of the unusual things. You might think it's a little odd. In the Western world, people are going to look at this and go, really? They live like that? Yeah. This is a construction site company. This is what I wanted to point out right here. The truck, which is every day they use this truck. But because of the salt water, rust, everything's rusty. But the door, I think the door might have been damaged, but they still drive it every day. That's something you'll see here that you don't usually see in the Western world. Okay, that's one stop. Rust everywhere, but I'll go show you the beautiful side of this. This is what you come here for. The seaside, the beauty of the seaside. Nice cool breeze. It might be affecting the sound, I'm not sure. Oh yeah. This is what it's all about. Oh, here's the kid. Hi kid. You're swimming? You're going swimming? These are the cute little Capulino kids that always come around. Capul Island, folks. It's a world in itself. YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. Hi. Very nice. Whoa. Jump in. They like to jump off. You know how kids be. Beautiful. I will return and show you more. The island home of Angie. That's it for now, folks. But this video will continue later today. Thanks for watching. Our vacation home. Near the beach. Not on the beach. Small, modest 3-bedroom with all the amenities. So we're going to come back and do some more of this here in a while. That's what I said before. Rice. Those are bags of rice from the crop that they get. That's half the crop. So that's a quick little view of this area. I'll do some more later. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care. Next time.